Hello. Hindi po kami kakanta ngayon. Sorry. Hindi po kami ang Boy Genius. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako po ulit si Nigel Santos, Director ng Open Endings. Kasama ko po ngayon si Dean Velasco, producer. And the one who gave soul to the film, our screenwriter, Kimi Yung Stefano. Okay, una sa lahat, maraming salamat po for being here, especially on a Monday rush hour. Sobrang grateful po kami na nandito kayo ngayon para makiselebrate sa Open Endings. So before we start, we would like to acknowledge the presence of National Artists for Film and Broadcast Arts and also one of our mentors, Sir Ricky Lee. Thank you, sir. We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to CCP, Cultural Center of the Philippines, Cinemalaya, and Film Development Council of the Philippines for their continued support of Filipino filmmakers and stories like ours. So dahil limitado lang po yung oras, we'll move right ahead to one of the most important parts of the night to celebrate our production, staff, crew, and cast. So sila po yung heart and backbone ng Open Endings. Sige, let's start off with our executive producers, Tarsier Pictures, Jan, Enzo, Gio, and Dinesh. Dito tayo sa gilid siguro. Yeah. Executive producers, Jezreel, Jean, and Joliel Villena. Executive producers, Maki Macapagal of Lumino. Executive producers, Sue Matias of Patintero Princess. Yung other half po ng Patintero Princess ay on the way pa lang from Singapore. Executive producers, Fanciful Strays, Robin Recato. Our production department, Patricia Salik, line producer. Assistant Director, Chad Cabigon. Script Supervisor, Elton James Quijano. And AD Apprentice, Tony Cañete. Si Tony din po ay part ng cast as picture. Our Intimacy Coordinator and Acting Consultant, Regina De Vera. And our Soji Consultant, Floyd Scott Yogampo. Next, Art Department headed by our Production Designer, Sam Manaxa. Stylist, Gila Sara. Assistant Wardrobe, Cheng Composano. Hair and Makeup, Ira Castor. Art Director, Bel Salvadico. PD Coordinator, Ajay Candelaria. Set Dresser and our Poster Designer, Nat Soriaso. Single po yan. Interns, Jamie Ann Medalla, Audrey Jean Candelaria. And Setman, Vincent Mutung. Okay, Camera Department, our Director of Photography, Martica Ramirez Escobar. Colorist, Lia Magsaysay Sigua. Camera Operator, Adam Dumagin. DOP Intern and BTS, Khalil Chong. And BTS, Dane Tapan. Okay, next, Production and Location Manager, Win Renegado. Our Production Assistants, Ayan Artiliaga, Audrey Bayoneta, Teresa Teniso, and Charina Javier. Our Intern PA, Ber Rivera. Promo Intern, Rachel Lozada. Casting Director, Ivan Panganiban. Next, our post-production team, headed by our editor, Maria Stella Paiso. The rest of Malas Malas Studios, Rafael Cabrera, Eric Bico, Shane Robles. Our musical scorer, April Hernandez. Music co-producer, Francis Lorenzo. Our sign design team from Nara, Janina Micaela Minglanilla, Micaela Docena, and Jen Sarabia. Special shout out pala kay Deng Garcia of the band Flying EPs for her generosity in letting us use their song Secreto. Thank you, Deng. Okay, before we call the rest of the cast on stage, wala akong nakalimutan sa staff and crew, please. Baba kayo. So, before we call the rest... Siyempre si RM Live Sound. Prank lang yun. Prank lang yan, RM. Sige, before we call the rest of the cast on stage, we'd like to acknowledge some of our cast members who couldn't be with us tonight. Miss Jackie Lu Blanco, Yesh Borse, and Rachel Coates. Okay, now we'd like to call on stage our supporting cast, Kesh Rubina, Edmund Telmo, and Mix Almendras. Lipat ulit ako dito. Of course, at the center of open endings are our 4 incredible women. Sabay-sabay kayo as friends. Let's welcome on stage Lian Momonong, Rhea Pineda, Janela Salvador, and Jasmine Curtis Smith. Okay, thank you din po sa family, friends, mommy, co-finalists, supporters, FGT participants who are here tonight. Thank you for being part of our journey. To our sponsors, location partners, performers who supported us during our fundraising events. Malaking bagay po yung tulong nyo sa amin para matapos yung pelikula. Salamat po. Before we end, Kiwi and I just want to say this. We made open endings with one goal, to tell a queer story that is honest, joyful, and deeply human. Stories like this deserve to be seen, heard, felt, and experienced because representation matters. Open endings is our small celebration of queer joy, the kind that reminds us that being seen, loved, and accepted is a form of resistance. And it's also a reminder of allyship, of standing beside our queer friends, families, and communities with love and respect. We hope that open endings sparks more conversations about the SOGIESC bill, equality, and queer lives in the Philippines. And that one day, it becomes normal to see queer women's stories in mainstream media. Because somewhere out there, a queer kid is watching and deserves to see what happy, thriving queer adults look like. So whether it's romantic or friendship, love wins. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sinimalaya. Again, kami po ang Team Open Endings. We hope you enjoy our film.
We request our filmmakers to stay on stage in receiving the Certificate of Recognition. To present the Certificate of Recognition, we would like to call on Vice President and Artistic Director, Cultural Center of the Philippines, Mr. Dennis Marasica. Festival Director, Cinemalaya Philippine Independent Film Festival, Mr. Chris B. Miliado. Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated, Mr. Carlos Sigion Reyna. President, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated, Ms. Loris Guillen. And Chairman, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated, Mr. Antonio O. Huangco.
So the certificate reads, Cultural Center of the Philippines, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated presents the Certificate of Recognition.
Freudian slip.
To Kiwi Eunice Vicente, screenwriter of Open Endings, finalist full-length feature film in competition Cinemalaya Layag. Given this third day of October 2025 at the Red Carpet Cinema Shangri-La Plaza, Mandaluyong City. And also, the same certificate given to Nigel Santos, Director of Open Endings.
Cast nasa likod. Takpan ng cast. Labas kayo. Lumabas ang cast.
Ayun, may dalawa doon.
Yun nga eh. Dito yung dalawa. Hindi kayo kasya sa frame.
Ay, that's a frame.
The biggest cast.
The biggest
The biggest team.
production.